Hi everyone. In this video I will explain about what is constructor and what is constructor overloading. Let me tell you first the definition and I will explain with the example. What is constructor? A constructor is a special method in Java used to initialize object. It has the same name as the class name and doesn't have any return type. What is constructor overloading? Constructor overloading means having more than one constructor in the same class, but each constructor has different parameter list. Let me show with the example. Now I am going to create one class. Class name I am going to give employee. Uh, Normally employee will have title, first name, first first name and last name, and yes, I will give one more address. Okay. Now we have employee class and some variables. Now we have to assign values for these variables. To assign values to these variables, we have two ways. One is through constructor also we can assign. From setter methods also we can assign. In this video, I will assign values using constructor. Now I am going to create one constructor. In definition we saw the constructor name is class name and this is the parameter list we have to pass. Here first, here I am giving first name, and from this constructor I am setting two values, that is first name and yes. To assign this parameter values to the class, here we have to use this keyword dot first name. This dot first name will refers to the this variable inside this class. Only this first name refers to the parameter of this constructor. In same way I will do for age also. Now we have the constructor with two parameters. One is first name, one is age. Now I am going to create one class to test this. I am creating main method, and to create object to the employee you have to use new keyword, and first parameter is first name and second is age. Now create the one variable employee 1. Now after some days the requirement will come, you have to create object with first name, last name and age also. By the time what we have to do, we have to create one more constructor with three parameters: public, employee, first name, last name and age. In same way I will assign here also. Let me copy and paste over here. And yeah, last time also will assign. This is called constructor overloading. Here if you see from the definition, same constructor with a different parameter list is called constructor overloading. Based on our requirement, if you want to pass first name and last name, you can pass from the like if you pass three values, first name, last name, and age. This where we have the constructor with three parameters, right? That flexibility is coming from this constructor. This is called constructor overloading. Thank you for watching this.